Here we go again. I just cleaned out that mic. It plays pretty good. I just pressed the buttons a lot, clean it off, blew in there, sucked in the mic hole, blew in the mic hole. I could feel the air going through. And I took out a little piece of a toothbrush bristle and I held it real tight and small, short, and I stuck it in the mic hole and like uh, worked it around like in a circular motion around the opening of the little teeny mic hole, but you don't want to press too deep in there. And then I blew it out again, and now I'm testing it. We're gonna see how it's gonna work. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Hopefully it plays perfect.